Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can earn collectibles and dice rolls in Monopoly Go. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Monopoly Go app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. The first trick is to play every event and tournament. Right now, there is an event going on in Monopoly Go that you can use to earn some dice rolls and in-game cash. Here, the goal is to drop balls from the top and earn wherever it lands. I will suggest you to earn more than 100 tokens to achieve some decent collectibles. You can see if I play this game with a good amount of tokens, I am able to earn cash and dice rolls. I will also like to say that it doesn't matter where you drop the ball, as it may get to the other side due to the game mechanics. And that's how you can earn collectibles and dice rolls in Monopoly Go. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.